Sir Roger George Moore KBE was an English actor best known for playing British secret agent James Bond in 7 feature films from 1973 to 1985, beginning with Live and Let Die. His most notable television role was playing the main character, Simon Templar, in the British television series The Saint from 1962 to 1969. He also had roles in some American television shows and films in the late 1950s and early 1960s, including replacing James Garner and portraying Beau Maverick in the Maverick series in 1960 to 1961. Moore starred with Tony Curtis in the Persuaders television series in 1971 to 1972 and had roles in several theatrical films in the 1970s and 1980s. Moore was appointed a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador in 1991 and was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II in 2003 for services to charity. In 2007, he received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame for his work in television and film. In 2008, the French government appointed him a Commander of the Ordre des Arts et des Lettres. Roger Moore was born on 14 October 1927 in Stockwell, London. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.